I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians and owners of the land where you are viewing this. I acknowledge their continuing connection to the land, water and community. I would also like to pay respects to elders past, present and emerging, in particular my elders who've given me the strength to navigate today's world. 1 in 5 Australians will experience a mental health problem in any given year. That means that every person is likely to know someone who is experiencing a mental health problem. Maybe someone from your workplace or your community, like your auntie, uncle, brother or sister. In fact, mental illness is now said to affect every Australian in some way. This is where mental health first aid training can help. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Mental Health First Aid is a culturally responsive training course that grounds participants in Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander social and emotional wellbeing. The training empowers individuals and communities with the knowledge, skills and confidence to recognise and respond to mental health problems. The Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Mental Health First Aid course has been developed and reviewed in consultation with Australians First Nations people. This provides much needed cultural context to community-based care. It is for Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people and those who support our people. The course has been developed to support information about mental health first aid and self-care into Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander communities. The course considers local perspectives and experiences and utilises lived experience stories and First Nations photography, film and artworks. This representation matters and leads to better outcomes for those participating in the training and the people they go on to support. Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people have been around for tens of thousands of years and have knowledge and healing practices that have kept us and continue to keep us strong and well. Information included in this course is evidence-based and adds to the current resources and approaches used to support those experiencing mental health problems or in a mental health crisis. Our course is for adults to support an Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander adult who may be experiencing a mental health problem or a mental health crisis until professional help is received or the crisis resolves using a practical, evidence-based action plan. The course ensures that participants are grounded in social and emotional well-being from an Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander perspective. The training is strength-based, focusing on reducing stigma and shame and building the confidence needed to openly talk about mental health. Your role as a mental health first aider is to act as a point of contact and reassurance for an Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander person who may be experiencing a mental health problem or be in a mental health crisis. Maintaining appropriate boundaries is a key part of providing mental health first aid and keeping yourself safe as well.